Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, make a screen reader navigation easier with the footer landmark. Similar to header and nav which we have seen in the previous tutorial, the footer element has a built-in landmark feature that allows assistive tech devices to quickly navigate to it. It's primarily it's primarily used to contain copyright information or links to related documents that usually sit at the bottom of a page. So the task Camper Cat's training page is making good progress. Change the div he used to wrap his copyright information at the bottom of page to a footer element. So at the top header, afterward main, and in the last its copyright sections which should be inside footer. So we will change div to footer, and afterward the text cases. Your code should have one footer tag. Here, your code should not have any div tags. I have removed the div. Your code should have an opening and closing footer tag. Opening and closing footer tag. So run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.